Okay, so first we just kind of trying the wig on because I just curled it on my mannequin just to save time, because I was just doing basic one curls to kind of mimic what a body wave would look like. So we're gonna comb them out, but I'm really don't have anywhere to go until tomorrow, but I wanted to go ahead and get the wig applied so that way it will already be pretty much done. And I had already curled the wig and everything like that. Let me get my mirror. It looks pretty good. I don't know if I want to cut the lace off first or do it the other method again. I think I'm gonna cut the lace off first because I don't know, I just think it's easier. So I'm gonna cut the lace off and I'm coming back. Okay, so my baby hairs are kind of more pushed back now, and I did already cut off the I got hair all over me, but yeah, that's why I like to do my hair when I'm not like dressed and stuff, because I'm gonna need a shower. But anyways, yeah, I already cut off the lace extra on the sides and everything like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it down into place and blow dry it to mold it down. And I'm just gonna use this and a blow dryer to do so. Just a really quick, simple, easy type method. Let's see, got some dried up on there. Okay, so I decided to do a voiceover instead of just putting some music in. So y'all already know what I'm doing. I'm just taking my Got To Be spray and spraying it in the center onto the lace. It's okay if a little bit gets on the hair because you can just comb it out and it'll be fine. So I'm just putting it in the center section first and kind of pushing it in to make sure it gets all on the lace. And you want to make sure that you're pulling it up to make sure that you are securing it where you want it to be stuck at, so it's not sliding back or anything like that. This hair is pretty heavy because I do have quite a bit of bundles in my head, so it is more prone to slide back. And then I'm just going to blow dry it and everything like how I always do. And then on the edges, what I have found that works better is to go ahead and spray it on my actual hair and then push it up to make sure that everything is back out of the way, and then just blow dry that down, and then go ahead and pull your lace back up and then spray it into place and blow dry that as well. So yeah, I did a video showing y'all this method before, so it's pretty much the same thing. Okay, so y'all pretty much just seen how I laid it. I'm just gonna do the other side real quick and then we'll be back. Okay, so with this hair, I'm gonna be showing y'all a few different styles. Before today, we're gonna start off with one style and then we'll move into more. I look so white. Let's see. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna start off with one style today, and then I will do more styles in the next couple of days or so, showing y'all some other styles that are great for back to school and stuff. So simply, we're gonna start off with just a regular little middle part. And yeah, because for tomorrow, the other styles that I have in mind are not really what I want, so I just want like a nice middle part with these curls. So that's what we're gonna do right now because it just works with my schedule. So I'm just going to make my parts. I did already kind of section the hair while I was curling it just to kind of get it to go the right way so I wouldn't have so much work to do, but I didn't know how it was going to look once I put it on my head from the mannequin and everything. Take my trusty wax stick and lay it down. Y'all, I love this so much. I'm glad that they sent me 2 of them because now I don't have to go buy any for a while. And back here, this is where my tracks are because this is tracks in a frontal, so I do want to make sure I pull some hair to cover back there. And then we're gonna flat iron it, not flat iron it, hot comb it. Boom. Look at that. We about to slay this hair real quick. Gonna kind of comb out any hairspray that's stuck in the baby hairs. And also in the front, I did kind of trim off some of my lace to push it back a little bit more. I may end up cutting some more, I don't really know. So I'm just gonna play with it and get it how I want it. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of comb it out and kind of see where the hair is going, so then I can kind of see how I want my baby hairs and stuff. And I'm gonna use my big tooth comb, and this is gonna be some really pretty curls. I did use a smaller one curl this time. The one that I used is a regular standard 1 inch size that looks like this. I believe it's a 1 inch, like this size. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I don't know why I look so pale. Maybe it's the light, or maybe I need a tan. But yeah, so what we gonna do is start laying down a little bit of baby hairs. And I don't know why my face is kind of red right there, but yeah, I already put a little bit of makeup in my part, and like a little bit right here. I did cut off excess lace. I'm gonna use my mousse and my edge brush and lay this down. I do need more mousse than it though. And actually, first, before we lay it, I'm gonna cut this a little more. And then here I'm just putting some mousse and laying my baby hairs. You know, this takes time and practice, and you can do them if you want to, or you don't have to if you don't like baby hairs. Personal preference, whatever you want to do. But y'all know I like my baby hairs, so yeah. Perfect baby hair. That's a perfect one right there. Period. All right, and I'm gonna probably do like one more or something, because I don't want a lot. And lately what I have been finding out is that, and don't mind that, that's a little makeup, we'll get that off. But lately what I have been finding out is that the shorter you cut them, like, it is a such thing as cutting them too short, but if you cut them pretty short, they look better than leaving them longer. And definitely if you don't cut it at all, like, they just don't, it don't pop. So yeah, I'm gonna take this, thin it out a little, because that section was a little thickiana. On any parts that look a little too thick, you definitely want to go back in and re-pluck them. Right here, you can definitely kind of see the lace line there, but you know, we're going to cover that up later with some makeup or whatever. So I'm just going to pluck it a little bit and then go ahead and swoop that up also. For the little sideburns part, sometimes I leave it long and put a curl to it, but this time I decided to just slick it back kind of like that. I never tried it. I thought it was cute, so something different, you know. Okay, so y'all just seen how I finessed it, and then I'm gonna get some water, a little bit of water right there, just to kind of get that little makeup spot up. Yeah, so that's how you do it. And then of course you want to tie it down and then comb it out so you can get that soft baby hair look, and it's gonna be super cute. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do that on this side. And then I don't know, I might wait and come back in the morning to finish the completed look, like with my makeup and, you know, the finished style of it, because I'm not going anywhere tonight. So I just really wanted to get my wig put on and then show y'all this style, and then we will add other styles in as I do the other styles that I want to show y'all. So yeah. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. I haven't powdered the whole thing or anything like that, and I really don't want to comb it out too much. I mean, I have already combed it out, but for the most part, my curls will stay in place, and then I will just touch up and do the finishing touches in the morning. But yeah, this is how she looks so far, and my baby hairs have to be tied down and dry before I go ahead and comb them out. So I will end it here so y'all can see how everything is looking now. Okay, so this is kind of how the finished look looks with just the middle part and the really nice wand curls and your baby hairs laid and popping and everything like that. This is how the bottom of the hair looks in the back and everything like that. It's nice and long, very full, very, very pretty. I love it. It came out amazing. I always love DSoar hair, so it's bomb. So now we're going to try a few other things. This is my little bag of clips. First, I'm taking my DSoar clip, and I'm just going to clip it on the sides or on one side. I didn't get two of these. So you can do this with any type of words, whatever you have. You can just put one little clip on the side, and it will just add some pizzazz to your middle part. Basically, I decided to just show you some different ways you can use the clips with middle parts. I didn't do all of the styles you can do, but just a few different ones if you want to keep your middle part and not really change anything. With these, they're really bulky, so I don't like how the front looks. So this is an option. You can flip it the other way, but it will be better if you can find one that lays more flat with the bling in it if you want to put them in the front. I don't have any like that, so I will have to look for some. But yeah, this is another option, and I'm just going to put one on the other side just to kind of show you. You can just flip them around the other way if yours has that big clamp on the back and you don't want it to be in the front of your head. So you can kind of do that. And then now I'm just going to kind of twist the hair a little bit and then pull it forward. You kind of have to play around with it just to get it how you want it to look, or you can do like some braids or a full twist. And I'm taking those same clips and I'm just going to clip it back, so it just gives you a different look. It kind of gets the hair off of your face. Great for summertime and back to school. So then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side to match. And yeah, so I just basically kept the middle part instead of switching it up all the way, just because y'all might have a sew-in, or you know, you might have a closure or whatever that's only like a middle part. This way, you know, you're not doing too much. It's just trying out some different stuff with your same middle part. And I have so many other styles and videos on my channel, so if you want to see ponytails and other stuff, you can definitely just check those out. So that's that. And then now I'm going to take these. I think these are super, super cute for this type of look because I love how it's like a crisscross and they lay really nice and flat. So I'm just going to clip one on each side. I have two of these, and all of my clips are from AliExpress, so I will leave them linked down below if y'all want to check them out for yourselves. They are really inexpensive, but I know sometimes you can find these at boutiques or certain hair stores and stuff like that may have something similar. They also have more plain simple ones like at the dollar store. You can make your own, you can DIY them. So, you know, whatever you want to do. But these were really inexpensive, but they take a long time to come, so just be aware of that. But yeah, this is how I did these, and I thought this one was super cute with the two clips. And you can do this with any kind of clips. You don't have to use the same ones I have, but I just thought this was really cute. So yeah, those are the different little styles that I showed you using the bling clips because they're super popping right now. So yeah, love ya.